Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol, in association with Ma Tutorials. Today we are beginning with the new letter Q, basic words of which are presented in fourth. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Quack, Neem Hakim, Jhola Chap. The villagers realized he was a quack when his treatment failed. Quail, Darna ya Bater. He quailed at the sight of the ferocious dog. Quake, Kampana ya Bhukamp. The ground quaked as the earthquake struck. Quality, Gunavatta. This brand is known for the quality of its products. Quantity, Matra. The recipe requires a large quantity of sugar. Quarrel, Jhagda ya Jhagadna. They had a quarrel over a minor issue. Quarter, Chauthai ya Ilaka. He ate only a quarter of the cake. Quartz, Svatik. Quartz is used in making watches and glass. Queen, Rani. The queen ruled her kingdom with wisdom. Queer, Ajib. He had a queer feeling about the situation. Quench, Bujhana. The cold water quenched his thirst. Query, Prashna, Poochtach karna. She raised a query about the bill. Quest, Khoj. He went on a quest to find the lost treasure. Quick, Tej. She gave a quick reply to his question. Quiet, Shant. The library is always quiet. Quill, Kalam, Punk. In old times, people wrote with a quill. Quilt, Rajai. She wrapped herself in a warm quilt. Quirk, Ajib Adat, Vichitrata. His habit of tapping his fingers are a quirk of his personality. Quit, chhod dena. He decided to quit his job due to stress. Quiz, Prashnottari, Pariksha lena. The teacher gave the students a pop quiz. Quota, Nirdharit Matra. Each worker has a daily quota to complete. Quote, Udharan dena ya Kathan. She quoted a famous philosopher in her speech. Quatrain, चार पंक्तियों की कविता. The poet composed a beautiful quatrain. Quagmire, Daldal, Sankat. The company was stuck in a financial quagmire. Quarantine, Sangrodh, alag rakhna. The patient was kept in quarantine for 14 days. Quarry, Khadan, Shikar. The workers extracted marble from the quarry. Quiddity, Sar, Mool Tattva. The quiddity of a good leader is their ability to inspire others. Quaver, Kampana, Kampan. His voice quavered with emotion as he spoke. Quicksilver, Para, Tez or Apratyashit. His moods were as quicksilver as the weather. Queue, Qatar, line mein lagna. People stood in a queue to buy tickets. Quip, Chutkula, Mazak udana. She made a clever quip during the conversation. Quirkiness, Ajib, Visheshta. His quirkiness made him stand out in the crowd. Quiver, Thartharana. Tir rakhne ka jhola. She felt her hands quiver with nervousness. Quotient, Anupad, Bhagfal. His intelligence quotient is above average. Quorum, Karam, Quorum. Avashakta Nyuntam Sankhya. Avashak Nyuntam Sankhya. The meeting could not proceed due to lack of quorum. Quizzical. Jigyasa Purna, Sandeha Purna. She gave him a quizzical look. Quandary, Duvidha, Uljan. She was in a quandary about whether to accept the job offer. Quell, Dabana, Shant Karna. The police were called to quell the riot. Quirkily, Ajib Tarike se, he quirkily arranged his books by color rather than by genre. Quinine. एक दवा क्विनीन is an essential medicine for malaria treatment. Quash, खारिज करना, दबाना. The court quashed the unjust law. Quenchable, बुझाने योग्य, शांत किया जा सकने वाला. His thirst was easily quenchable with a glass of water. Quixotic, avyavaharik, kalpanik. His quixotic plans to change the world seemed impractical. Quisling, gaddar. The quisling was exposed and punished for betraying his country. Quirked, teda karna, घुमाना. She quirked her eyebrow in amusement. Quixotism, adarshvadita. His quixotism often led him to unrealistic expectations. Quadruped, चार पैरों वाला जीव. A horse is a common quadruped. Quadruped, चार पैरों वाला जीव. और bipedal, दो पैरों पे. Quizzing, प्रश्न पूछना, जांच करना. The lawyer was quizzing the witness in court. Quenchless, अतृप्त, बुझाया न जा सकने वाला. His thirst for knowledge was quenchless. Quintupling, 5 guna बढ़ाना. The company's profits are quintupling every year. And that's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.